Hey guys, Barry here from MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. Today we have a Boston Whaler Conquest 325. Here in the cockpit, you'll notice fold-down bench seating on the aft, fold-down bench seating on the port side, starboard side, swim access door with ladder, huge access to your bilge here, fish boxes, and then also access to your generator. This boat's outfitted with Mercury Verado, 400 horsepower, joystick. You don't see a lot of boats with this 400. It's an excellent upgrade. Right now it's the colder months, so we have the isinglass curtains back. Of course, they're removable. Inside you have a full glass windshield with half glass on the sides and isinglass curtains above that. The windshield has automatic vents and windshield wipers, 2 windshield wipers. Sunroof here on both sides. For your co-pilot, there's flip-flop bench seating here forward and aft. So if you were fishing, you could flip this forward and watch your spread. The table folds out of the way and it also drops down, and this slides back so you could be facing forward while running offshore. Here at the helm, we got dual Raymarine screens, your Mercury vessel view, of course your Mercury binnacle here with your joystick with skyhook. Okay. Active trim, Raymarine VHF radio, and Fusion sound system throughout. Stepping down into the cabin, plenty of headroom in here. Forward we have our kitchenette, drop down table which fills in for a full bed. TV here. This boat is upgraded with track vision, so you have satellite TV. Along with the kitchenette here, we have isotherm refrigerator. There's also one in the cockpit as well. Kenyan electric stovetop and microwave.